Morning, Steve Frady in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Prices are trying to rebound overnight, led by soybeans. We're up about 12 to 13 cents in the beans, maybe 3 to 4 cents in corn, and maybe a nickel in the wheat market. As we look back the last few trading days, we've seen wheat break pretty hard to a new monthly low. Some people would attribute that to the fact that corn prices are not going up, so they don't have that leadership. Egypt came in and is buying foreign wheat and not U.S. wheat. And there's some chance over the next 5 to 7 days for some rains down in the southern plains. And that area is very dry going into the 2013 winter wheat plantings, and the rains will help those conditions there. Down the road, we'll have to see how much wheat Russia exports. That's a key factor in wheat prices. And also, as we get into the planting season for the 2013 world wheat crops, we'll see if some of the dryness that we're seeing in the United States, Russia, Australia, and even Argentina persists. That could be supportive to wheat prices. In the corn market, we had two additional states, North Carolina and Arkansas, that joined Maryland and Delaware in asking for EPA waiver for ethanol blending. Again, this might be offering some resistance to the corn market, but right now gas prices are over ethanol, and the numbers suggest they should continue to blend ethanol even if they have a waiver. Some predict that EPA will not make a decision until after the U.S. corn harvest and maybe after the November elections. It's estimated by some that by taking 20% ethanol blend out of the gas blend, you could see pump prices go up as much as 70 cents to maybe as much as $1 per gallon. Weather-wise across the Midwest, the next 4 to 5 days, there's maybe 60% chance of some rain favoring the northern and eastern areas. Early next week we dry out, and late next week there's another front that could move across the Midwest. So the market's trying to figure out if these rains are enough to help the soybean crop. It's probably too late for the corn crop. We are seeing domestic corn and soybean basis levels beginning to firm up a little bit on a lack of farmers selling, so that may help the market too. So again, trade's kind of sloppy as we take profits from the August crop report, as we try to find a bottom in this move, and then try to figure out if and when we make a bottom, how high do prices need to go to ration the demand that the USDA is forecasting because of this year's U.S. drought. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.